Good morning, guys, and good morning to all of my friends. Have a warm welcome to the Vocabulary Revive, Day 7. So, we have already learned 60 new words. So, today is the Day 7. First word of the day, that is meme. In Insta and Facebook, I think you have heard about this word, the meme. It's similar to the gene, as gene is the unit of heredity. It is the unit of cultural information, such as practice or idea that is transmitted verbally or by repeated action from one mind to the another in a comparable way to the transmission of genes. But in internet, it has a specific meaning, that is something that is copied or circulated online. So you can see many online memes, quizzes, basic picture that has been modified, and templates. Next, nemophilist. The word nemophilist, I think it has not been used since last 100 years. It means the forest lover, the person who love the forest or to walk in the forest. 3. Flocculate. The flocculate means to collect together in a loose aggregation with like a flocks. For example, if I say it tends to flocculate in high saline concentration, or it tends to flocculate in high salinities, means it can form the clumps or small masses in salinities. That is what the flocculate means. 4. Oxymoron. This is very beautiful word, has been taken from the two Greek words oxus and moros. Oxus means sharp and moros means like moron, foolish. So the figure of speech in which apparently contradictory terms appear in conjunction. So that means like if I say deafening silence. So the silence that defends you. Like if I say like a statement which contain one part that contradict with the another part. If I say a pot, the golden pot made up of stone. So it is a contradictory statements. So this is what the oxymoron means. Next, from giant word, it has been ginormous. The ginormous means that a very giant structure, ginormous piles of rubbish. Next, bombing is an electromechanical device used by British cryptologists to help decipher German Enigma machine encrypted like a secret message during the World War II. So I think you have seen the movie, The Imitation Game. The Mombi is nothing but an electronic Turing machine similar to the computer. So it's an electromechanical device that can break the any crypto informations. Next, impoverish. It is the verb of poor. Make some area or person poor. So the wars had impoverished him. It can be used for a person or for the land. Meticulous. The meticulous word has been taken from the Latin metus, that means fearful or timid. But here it has been used showing great attention. That means you want to do something in a meticulous way, means with very care, and you do not want to make any mistakes. So the designs are hand glazed with meticulous care. So the showing great attention to details, very careful and precise. That's what the meticulous implies. Ambivalent. Ambi means both. So if you have a mixed feeling or contradictory ideas about something or someone, so some loved her, some hated her, few were ambivalent about her. That means you have a mixed state of feeling. Ambivalent. Laconic. The word laconic means it can be used for a person or a speech or a style of writing using very few words. So if you are laconic, that means you are reserved and you do not want to exaggerate. So you are brief and to the point. In other way, you can use his laconic reply suggested a lack of interest in the topic. So he is not speaking too much. Laconic. So in brief, so that means he or she may not be interested. So that for the 10 words of this day. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.